Meaning of fetishism.
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 Fetishism. Fetishism refers to excessive and irrational fascination or devotion towards an object, body part or situation that is not inherently sexual. This can include the use of non-sexual objects as sources of pleasure or arousal, or the fixation on specific body parts or physical features. The outcome of fetishism can vary, but it typically involves intense emotional responses and behaviors related to the fetishized object or situation that can interfere with daily life and personal relationships. In extreme cases, fetishism can lead to problematic or dangerous behaviors and may require professional treatment.